Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the text size here at the Google Pixel 9a. For that we will need the settings for, so just scroll down here, scroll down a second time, then you have obviously the symbol for the settings, just tap here. Now you need to go to the point display and touch. And a bit below you will find now the point display size and text. And here the first point, font size, you can increase the text size as you want, and if you want to have larger icons here as well, then just tap here on the plus symbol at display size and everything gets bigger. But don't enlarge it too much, because then you can lose the overview a bit, because then it's a bit too much and everything is going down, and as well here the notifications are affected and you cannot read very well the previews and so on. So this is why I recommend to you to don't enlarge it too much then, and yeah, at maximum here the font size and so on in the middle. What you can do as well is you can bold the text like that here, but the two best ways to increase the text size are the first two options here, font size and display size. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. I can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.